Repositioning Cruises Guide. Repositioning cruises, often referred to as repo cruises, are unique voyages that occur when cruise lines move their ships from one region to another due to seasonal demand. For instance, a ship might relocate from the Caribbean to the Mediterranean in spring or from Alaska to the South Pacific in fall. These cruises offer an exceptional travel experience, often at a lower cost than regular cruises, making them a hidden gem for savvy travelers. What are repositioning cruises? Repositioning cruises are one-way journeys that typically occur between major cruise seasons. Instead of following a set itinerary with multiple stops in a single region, these cruises often span large distances, sometimes crossing entire oceans. This means they can include a mix of popular and less visited ports, as well as several days at sea. Common routes. The most common repositioning routes include transatlantic, moving ships between Europe and the Americas. Trans-Pacific, shifting vessels between Asia/Australia and the Americas. Panama Canal, transitioning between the Caribbean and the Pacific coast of the Americas. Seasonal changes, for example, moving from the Mediterranean to the Caribbean for the winter season. Why choose a repositioning cruise? Cost-effective travel. One of the primary attractions of repositioning cruises is their affordability. Since these voyages are necessary for the cruise lines to move their ships, they often offer lower fares to attract passengers. This means you can enjoy a longer cruise for a fraction of the price of a regular itinerary. Unique itineraries. Repositioning cruises often feature unique and diverse itineraries that include a mix of popular destinations and lesser-known ports. This can provide a more varied travel experience compared to traditional cruises. You might find yourself visiting remote islands, exotic locations, and enjoying extended time at sea. Longer voyages. For those who love the cruising lifestyle, repositioning cruises offer longer voyages, often ranging from 10 to 20 days or more. This provides ample time to relax, enjoy the ship's amenities, and fully immerse yourself in the cruising experience. Fewer crowds. Since repositioning cruises are less well known, they tend to attract fewer passengers. This can mean a more relaxed and uncrowded experience both on the ship and in port. Planning your repositioning cruise. Timing and availability. Repositioning cruises typically occur during the shoulder seasons of spring and fall. It's essential to plan and book your cruise in advance, as these voyages are not as frequent as standard itineraries and can fill up quickly. Choosing the right cruise line. Different cruise lines offer varying levels of service, amenities, and onboard experiences. Researching and selecting a cruise line that matches your preferences is crucial. For instance, luxury lines like Crystal Cruises or Regent Seven Seas offer more inclusive experiences, while mainstream lines like Royal Caribbean or Carnival provide a more casual atmosphere. Itinerary selection. Carefully review the itinerary of the repositioning cruise. Consider the ports of call, the number of sea days, and the embarkation and disembarkation points. Ensure the route aligns with your travel interests and availability. Booking and pricing. While repositioning cruises are generally cost-effective, prices can vary significantly. Look for early booking discounts, last-minute deals, and promotions. Travel agents specializing in cruises can also provide valuable insights and help you secure the best rates. Onboard experience. Life at sea. Repositioning cruises often involve several consecutive sea days, which can be a relaxing and enjoyable experience. Cruise ships offer a wide range of activities and amenities to keep passengers entertained during these periods. From pools and spas to lectures and workshops, there's something for everyone. Dining options. Cruise ships boast an array of dining options, from casual buffets to gourmet specialty restaurants. On a repositioning cruise, you'll have the chance to explore different culinary experiences on board, often with themed nights and special events. Entertainment and activities. Repositioning cruises offer a variety of entertainment options, including Broadway-style shows, live music, comedy acts, and more. During sea days, the cruise line may also organize enrichment programs such as cooking classes, art workshops, and guest lectures. Wellness and relaxation. Many cruise ships feature extensive wellness facilities, including spas, fitness centers, and yoga classes. Sea days provide the perfect opportunity to indulge in these amenities, allowing you to return from your cruise feeling rejuvenated. Exploring ports of call. Excursions and tours. One of the highlights of any cruise is exploring the ports of call. Repositioning cruises often visit unique and less frequented destinations. Consider booking excursions through the cruise line or independently to make the most of your time in each port. Cultural immersion. Repositioning cruises can take you to diverse regions, offering a chance to experience different cultures, cuisines, and traditions. Take advantage of this opportunity to immerse yourself in the local culture, whether through guided tours, local dining experiences, or independent exploration. Practical tips. When visiting ports, it's essential to be mindful of your schedule and ensure you return to the ship on time. Familiarize yourself with the local currency, language, and customs to make your visit as smooth as possible. Travel logistics. Embarkation and disembarkation. Since repositioning cruises often start and end in different ports, planning your travel logistics is crucial. Ensure you have appropriate flights and accommodations arranged for both embarkation and disembarkation points. Consider spending a few days exploring these cities before or after your cruise. Packing tips. Repositioning cruises can involve diverse climates and weather conditions. Pack layers and versatile clothing to accommodate different temperatures. Don't forget essentials like travel documents, medications, and chargers for your electronic devices. Travel insurance. Given the extended nature of repositioning cruises and the potential for unforeseen circumstances, purchasing travel insurance is highly recommended. Ensure your policy covers cruise travel, medical emergencies, trip cancellations, and other potential issues. Advantages and disadvantages. Pros. Cost savings. Repositioning cruises often offer exceptional value for money. Unique itineraries. Explore a variety of destinations in one trip. Extended time at sea. Enjoy a relaxed and immersive cruising experience. Less crowded. Benefit from a more tranquil onboard atmosphere. Cons. Long sea days may not appeal to travelers who prefer more frequent port stops. One-way travel requires additional planning for flights and accommodations. Limited availability, less frequent than standard cruises, requiring more flexibility in travel dates. Repositioning cruises offer a unique and cost-effective way to explore diverse destinations and enjoy an extended cruising experience. By carefully planning your voyage, selecting the right cruise line, and taking advantage of the onboard amenities and activities, you can make the most of this exceptional travel opportunity. Whether you're a seasoned cruiser or new to the world of cruising, a repositioning cruise can provide an unforgettable adventure filled with relaxation, exploration, and discovery. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the NI 655 family. Give us a thumbs up if you liked the content, and make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more awesome videos.